Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 15 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 2900, longest unequal adjacent groups, subsequence 1. So let's read the problem statement first. You are given a string array words and a binary array groups, both of length n, where words of I is associated with groups of I. Okay, so string array given to us and groups array given to us, right? And here this is associated with this is associated with this, and this is associated with this, and both are having same length. Okay, your task is to select the longest alternating subsequence from words. A subsequence of words is alternating if for any two consecutive strings in the sequence, their corresponding elements in the binary array groups differ. Okay, essentially, you are to choose strings such that the adjacent elements having non-matching corresponding bits in the groups array. Okay, so here if I'm choosing this 0 first, so I choose this E, right? And next time I have to choose 1. Okay, I can't choose this 0. Okay, 0 and 0 both are matching, right? So if I'm selecting here 0, then next time I have to select 1, right? So here I select B. Okay, so this is my output, right? Clear? So this is what we need to do, right? Formally, you need to find the longest subsequence of an array of indices 0, 1 to n minus 1 denoted as I of 0, I of 1 to ik minus 1, such that groups of I of j, it should not match with groups of I j plus 1. Okay, for each j from 0 less than k minus 1, and then find the words corresponding to these indices. We have to return the selected subsequence, and if there are multiple answers, we have to return any of them. Note the elements in words are distinct. Okay, so this problem is actually very easy, right? So here, see, this is your groups, right? 0, 0, 1. Okay, so I'm going to treat them in one group and treat them in one group, right? So from here, just select this leftmost. Okay, 0. So here select E. Then this is same now. I don't want this. Okay, then this is the different group, right? Here starting from 1. Okay, so I will choose the first leftmost. So here B. Okay, so E and B, just return that. Okay, here this is 1 and then this is different and these two are different. Okay, so from here select this A, from here select this B, and both are same now, so just select first one. Okay, A, B, C, that's it. All right, so here see, a subsequence that can be selected is ABC because groups of 0, okay, groups of 0 is not equal to groups of 1, right? And groups of 1 is not equal to groups of 2. Another subsequence that can be set is A, B, D also, because group of 0 is not equal to group of 1 and group of 1 is not equal to group of 3. It can be shown that the length of the longest subsequence of indices that satisfies the condition is 3. Okay, so here these are the constants, right? And this, okay, groups of I is either 0 or 1, and words consist of distinct strings, and words of I consist of lowercase English letters. Okay, so let's say this is your groups. All right, so here let's say this is your words. So now I have to form the result list. Okay, the final answer. Okay, so in this here, if you see, first always let's be greedy. Okay, just add this first index. Okay, whatever the first index we have. So here I'm adding A. Okay, so next time we have to add this one. So see, this and this both are matching. Okay, so and this both are matching. Now here, see, this and this are not matching. Okay, so here they are not matching, so just add this. Add 3, we have D. Okay, just add a D. This and this are matching, so no need to add. Okay, we are adding the leftmost now, then my I is going to move forward. This and this both are not matching, just add this 5. Okay, at 5 we have F. Okay, then this and this both are not matching, so add 6 also. So here we are adding G. Now this both are not matching, so add 7 also. 7 we have H. Okay, and that's it. Both are matching, both are matching. So this is my output now. So see here at A, so this is at 0. Okay, this 0, and then we are adding this. Okay, 3, and then we are adding this 5. Okay, then we are adding this 6, and we are adding 7. Okay, so here if you see the groups for them, so here 0 group. Okay, this 0, 3, 1, 5, 0. Okay, 6, 1, right, and 7, 0. So this is the largest one, and this is my output. Okay, so very simple. Let's write the code. Okay, so here first you have to create one your answer list. Okay, because we have to return the list of strings, right? So here just create one array list. So you can say list of string, and here answer is equal to new array list. All right, and now after that just calculate the length in the words. Okay, so words dot length. Okay, both words and groups are having same length. Okay, and now just run one single loop. Int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, here I plus plus. Okay, and now here after that you have to just write if your I value, if it is equal to 0. Okay, first we will add always. Okay, first element at 0 index. Okay, and then after that I will do the start comparison. Okay, so groups of I. Okay, if it is not equal to groups of I minus 1, so in that case only just add the element in the words. Okay, okay, in the answer. Okay, so in the answer dot add the words. Okay, so here you have to write words of I. That's it. Okay, that's it. Now here just return the answer and just run the code. That's it. Return answer. Okay, so now let's run the code and see if the code issues will try to fix that. So yes, there are some issues. So here words dot length. Okay, this is array, string array, so we don't need to write it like this. Okay, now let's run it again. So see, all the test cases has been accepted, right? So now let's add that test case also that we have created here. So here this is okay, so this is words array that we are taking, right? A B C D E F until J, and this is 30110100. Okay, all right, so this is a test case, right? So let's run this test case and see whether we are getting the same output or not. Okay, so here you see you're getting what you're getting output as A D F G H. Okay, so here A D F G H. Okay, let's run submit the code now, right? So this is good. So see, all the test cases has been accepted, right? And the time complexity for this problem is going to be O of n. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.